Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is just a little update on the Subaru stroker build. Today we got a very special packaging from ACT. Let's see. There's the part number, and that's all the specs on it. This is going to be our new clutch. If I can get it out. Very nicely packaged. It's my first time ever buying a clutch from ACT, so here it is. We got our release bearing, got our clutch alignment tool, our pilot bearing. Oh wow, this is really nice package. There goes our actual clutch disc. And it has this a little assembly lube or whatever. Stickers, installation sheet, and our pressure plate. It's really nicely packaged. There goes our new pressure plate. And it does have the mono lock. And the mono lock. And we'll be running this kit with our ACT street light, light and flywheel. So it should be pretty good combination. It's really nicely packaged. This particular clutch was I looked at a bunch of different ones. The two that it came down to is ACT and South Bend's clutch. ACT had better figures or torque capacity compared to the South Bend clutch. I read on the forums they had a lot less. They're a lot more user friendly for daily drivers. This is a lot more aggressive setup, as we'll have a lot of clutch chatter, clutch chatter. So it's gonna be a little harsher for daily drivers, but it also holds. I think this one in particular was 454 torque. I think that figure is also at the crank. So yeah, that's one thing when you're looking at clutches. Be careful. Some of them will give torque capacity. Some of them will give it at the wheel, and some of them will give the torque capacity at the crank. If they do not specify the wheel, go ahead and assume the crank. So like this one, I think it didn't specify, so I went ahead and assumed crank. But I was also looking at a bunch of other ones like XCD and South Bends. I think South Bends gives torque capacity at the wheel. But yeah, we got a nice little instructions. This I didn't want to go with a 6-puck. I believe it was a 6-puck or 4-puck, because this is going to be a street car. I mean, I'm not daily driving, so I could have went with a more aggressive clutch, but this should be plenty good at the horsepower range we're targeting. Yeah, this is a Sprung disc. This is the heavy duty performance street. It's pretty much the most heavy duty clutch from ACT that you can get in a street disc without having to go to a 6-puck or 4-puck or a twin disc. So yeah, this is the most aggressive, most heavy duty one from ACT in particular. I'm sure there's other ones. I think XCD has a street disc that holds a little bit more than this. But this outperformed when torque capacity. The ACT kind of really caught my attention because they were a lot higher than all the other ones, like South Bend's. I'd have to look at the torque capacity, but their most aggressive street ability or street clutch was like 350 to the wheel. That's roughly what this. Well, this one should be roughly 400 to the wheel because it's 454 torque capacity at the crank. So then 10 to 15% reduction through the gearbox and whatnot. So yeah, it'd be roughly 400, maybe a little less, a little more. But yeah, I just wanted to show that to y'all. And I bought this kit straight from ACT. They were having a sale called Christmas in July, so I could not pass it up. I think I got this one for at Rally Sport Direct. You can get this kit for 500 and it's $550, about $550, I think it was. 550 to 600, somewhere in there. If you go straight to ACT, this kit, the same exact kit, will run you, I think they want 700, which is a huge difference, price difference. But, however, they were running a sale, both of them. ACT ran a sale Christmas in July, and it also trickled down to their vendors, such as Rally Sport Direct and a couple other ones. Rally Sport Direct, I think, with the sale and everything, this clutch kit was $493, and with the sale the ACT had put on from their website, compared prices, both on sale, both exact same kits, including everything, free shipping and everything. Rally Sport Direct was $493. This one was $491, so it's like a $2 and something savings, which is kind of ironic because ACTs, without it being on sale, this kit will run you like 700. I think it's really high. It's like $703, I believe. And the exact same kit, not on sale. This exact same kit, same part number and everything from Rally Sport Direct, would run you mid to high 500s. I had to look at the figures, but I think it was like 550 to 590, somewhere in there. Same exact kit, not on sale. See the huge gap. But yeah, luckily I scooped this one up while it was on sale. So yeah. And, thank you for watching. If you found any of this information useful or helpful, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe.